Hi, welcome back to LiveBinders, your online digital binder platform, the most efficient way to organize, store, and share all your resources in the cloud. Today we'll be reviewing how to embed a Google Calendar in your LiveBinders. To start, you want to open your LiveBinders in Edit Mode. Edit Mode will display this toolbar on the top left corner of your screen. Now let's go to Google Calendar. In Google Calendar, you want to select this gear, select Settings, and on the left panel, scroll down and click on the desired calendar that you will embed. So let's do holidays in the United States. Here, scroll down to Integrate Calendar, select the embed code, and copy it. Now let's go back to our LiveBinder and let's rename this tab. Okay. Now let's click on Add Content and we will select Text. Select the one column text layout and click on Edit Main Text Box. Select the Tools drop-down, then click on Source Code. Now let's delete this default code here and paste the copied code from Google Calendar. And okay, so it's embedded, and let's align that in the middle and save. Let's title this tab. And let's present and view the calendar. So this is how you can embed your Google Calendar in LiveBinders. You can maneuver to the upcoming months or to past months and see what events have been scheduled. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up below. For more tips and tricks to use on your LiveBinder, subscribe to our channel or visit us at livebinders.com. Thank you.